Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We have an adorable Valentine's card that we're going to make. We're going to use this new Made with Love suite. It has the Endless Love bundle, which comes with a stamp set and dies. Super cute. Let me show you in the mini catalog. Pages 30 and 31. It has lots of samples here. We even have 2 more pages of samples. And this suite also comes with the Hearts of Love 3D embossing folder, treat bags, some bubble bath ribbon, and some cute little, what do they call them? Loose Valentine assortment embellishment. So hearts, little confetti pieces, little envelopes and lips. Super cute. So today, and I love these patterns because they're kind of small. So they're really good for small areas, which is one of the reasons why I made this card today. All right, let's get to it. We made this card. When did we make this? Did we make this for bingo? I think we made it for bingo. Maybe the hostess tea. I can't remember. But this was just one of my favorite cards I've made. So I used a basic white card base, thick white. And then I have Flirty Flamingo, and I used the Hearts embossing folder, Hearts of Love, or I can't remember. I just said it like a minute ago, and now I can't remember it. But it is really cute. It's got little curving hearts and some little teeny hearts and big hearts, and it's just a nice background. All right, now I've cut this rectangle using the textured dies. What am I calling those? These are an online exclusive. I will post the supplies and measurement in my blog, and I'll think of the name of this very soon. It's got texture in it. So I die cut this out of basic white, and then I have cut 3 small pieces of designer series paper. Now you could use any of the sides. It has nice small images, so any of these would work, but I'm going to do, I love the Heart Hugs and Kisses one because my sentiment is going to be hugs and kisses. And of course, hearts, because it's Valentine's Day. I'm going to do my 2 edges first, or 2 outside pieces. And then I'm doing I need to really scoot this over just a little bit. I think I did not scoot them over enough, so I'm just going to have that right in the middle. That's okay. I have it's supposed to be a little bit of a gap, but I guess I didn't spread them out far enough. So we're just going to go with the gap that we have. All right. So we put our 3 pieces down. Now I've die cut a heart out of the die set from the bundle. And this is new, it's not glittery paper, but it's shimmery. So it's pastel shimmers. It's got blue, pink, and yellow. And this is an online exclusive. And I already bought a couple packs of this because it's perfect for the spring, being the pastels. And I've used it a few times already. And I'm going to place that right there. And then I have punched out a little banner from the little 3 banner punch, which has been out of stock for a little while because it is so awesome. I'm using this a lot, but it should be back in this month sometime. I've got to put this down here. And I'm going to stamp Hugs and Kisses right on this little banner. And we're going to pop this up as well with a couple of dimensionals. Okay, right there. Isn't that cute? And then for gems, now I'm not using, I wanted a little bit of sparkle. So the assortment that comes in the kit is not real sparkly, but we do have these pearl faceted circles, and I'm using the lightest ones. And I'm going to put these on. I'll put those right there. Isn't that just to add a little sparkle? And then on the inside, I'm going to do this big Happy Valentine's Day. It's 3 separate stamps, but I put them on the block as one stamp for my cards. Probably got to be careful not to get extra ink around. And that's it. I mean, you could add some little hearts from the stamp set if you wanted, a couple little hearts or hugs and kisses. But I think this is just the sweetest little card. I may have to do this for another, use this layout for another project, because this is just, to me, I love this. This is like my happy place right here. This little layout. So I hope you enjoyed the project today. I will post measurements and supplies on my blog, and make sure to check back on Monday. We've got one more video this week, and don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And just remember, with every $50 that you place with me online before tax and shipping, you're going to receive a kit of that month's card class for free. So you don't want to miss out on that. And I will see you all soon. All right. Bye-bye.